The 3-liter low carb rice cooker is designed to reduce digestible carbohydrates by up to 32%, making it ideal for those following keto, diabetic, or low glycemic diets. Its 5-in-1 versatility allows you to effortlessly prepare a variety of healthy meals, from fluffy quinoa to slow-cooked dishes, without cluttering your kitchen with multiple appliances. With the convenient delay timer, you can program meals up to 24 hours in advance, ensuring your food is hot and ready when you need it. Cleaning up is a breeze thanks to the premium non-stick inner pot and detachable steamer basket, which can be rinsed clean without the need for scrubbing or soaking. This compact 3-liter rice cooker is perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or RVs, delivering full cooking performance without taking up much counter space. Manufactured by Exliu, this rice cooker combines health-conscious cooking with space-saving design, offering a practical solution for nutritious meals.